this is Lucy with WTI, and this orthopedic bed is the one you want to get. It's perfect for both our large dogs. As you can see, they can both lay comfortably there. This orthopedic bed was perfect for our dog who's aging. It's about 10.5 in height, including the headrest, and about 51 inches over 4 feet in length. It was really important for us to find something with a cover that was removable, and this is exactly why we bought this. It was so easy, it's lightweight, and I'm able to remove it quickly. This bed is so soft. It's microsuede, and so it's perfect for them in the winter time. It's nice and soft and warm, and the headrest is perfect for our aging dog. This orthopedic dog bed is absolutely the best. Harley thinks so, and I think so, and that's our point of view.